The civil authority has issued a nuclear power plant warning for the following counties or areas: Denver, Jefferson, Adams, Arapahoe, at 12:33 p.m. on May 12, 2022, effective until 1:24 a.m. Message from IPOSCAP. This is an urgent message to anyone within a 75-mile radius of the Cherokee Generating Station. At this time, the Cherokee Generating Station has melted down in reactors 1 and 2. Radiation is expected to quickly spread within the next few hours. Do not hesitate. Evacuate immediately. Failure to do so at your peril. Bring food, water, medical supplies, a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio, and important documents with you when evacuating. Contraflow has been activated on all highways. Repeating, anyone within a 75-mile radius of the Cherokee Generating Station must evacuate immediately. Failure to do so will result in severe injury or death.